The swaying pines of eventide, the blue sky up above, all voices hushed and silent now. Fiona dreams of love. Her heart is filled with grief and fear. She listens to the west wind sigh and dreams that it speaks to her of shame. Fiona, oh Fiona, the west wind whispers plain. Fiona, oh Fiona, Shane is betrothed to another love. He tries to be true and kind. He'll not look in Fiona's pale green eyes. His love for her he just can't seem to hide. One day she went to the forest green. She could no longer bear to stay. In silence now she roams the woods, and the green pines sing always. Fiona, oh Fiona, the west wind whispers plain. Fiona, oh Fiona, I bring love greetings from Shane. One day he went to the forest green in search of wild meat and game. A young girl smiling with pale green eyes stopped to speak to young Shane. His heart remembered his love so true. He tried, but he failed to explain. In silence now he roams the woods, and the west winds speak to Shane. Fiona, oh Fiona, her love was without a stain. Fiona,